I want to start by saying that I am aware that Mexicans eat things other than tacos. I don't know why they would want to or why any of us would want to, but I'm aware that they do. My last Mexican video, I made tacos also, ancho lentil tacos, and they're bomb, but these are better. These are Baja-Style Tempeh tacos, and I'm super excited to share these with you because I made these, last week or the week before, and I didn't even want to share them. It's like, these are the best tacos I've ever made. So when you make these, maybe make a double batch so you can have extra. These serve 4 to 6, and that's like me and my baby. That's enough for us. So yeah, let's get started. So there's 3 different parts of this recipe. This is for the slaw, this is for the lime crema, and this is for the marinade for the tempeh. So we're gonna start with the slaw. What we'll need is 3 heaping cups of shredded purple cabbage, 1 shredded carrot, 2 jalapeños diced, and 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. So we'll mix all the ingredients in a large glass bowl. Be sure not to use metal. I love cabbage, so I don't miss one piece. How beautiful this is. I'm just gonna do it slow for food porn. I just want to make sure all the salt is mixed. This seems so basic, but after you let it sit, it's really good. So we're just gonna loosely cover this with plastic wrap. Like just put it right on the top. And then I'm gonna put a can, it's the heaviest can that I have, to try to squish it out. So we're gonna try to get out all of the liquid. For the lime crema, we'll need 3/4 cup of plain soy yogurt, 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. You can use grapeseed oil if you don't have avocado oil, 1/3 cup of cilantro, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So the lime crema also comes together super fast, super easy. We're just gonna put all of the ingredients into the blender. So we're just gonna, again, put this in the fridge and chill for an hour. For the chili marinade, we'll need 3/4 cups of pilsner or ale-style Mexican beer. I really like Modelo, but you could use so many different things. 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of peanut oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice, 2 to 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 8-ounce package of tempeh. And we'll need 12 to 16 corn tortillas. I have not opened a beer in a while. See if I still got it. I don't think I got it. There we go. So we're just gonna have the marinade in the marinade dish. We'll prepare the tempeh and then place it in the marinade. Bring a 2-quart pot of water to boil. Slice the tempeh any way you want. When the water is boiling, just add the tempeh. So again, you can double this recipe because it really doesn't take that much extra added work. And we're gonna crumble it up so it actually does make more taco meat, but I probably should have doubled it myself. So we're gonna turn it down and let it simmer for 10 minutes. So I really like the tempeh crumbled. I think it's more like taco meat, but some people like it in strips, so you do whatever you choose. I've already crumbled it, and we're just gonna put it in the marinade, and again, let it marinate for about an hour. Another reason I really like to crumble it is I feel like it soaks up the marinade even more, so you just get that extra flavor. I don't let any of the marinade go to waste. So we're gonna set this to medium-high heat. I'm choosing not to use oil because there's plenty of marinade, but you can add peanut oil if you want to. We'll just leave this to saute for 5 minutes or so, just to warm it up. It's not gonna change color or get golden brown or anything, so 5 minutes is fine. Yeah, I have so many taco recipes. I know I say that every time, but it's like never ending. And even the other day I made Italian tacos, but that was really weird. It's not always a hit, that's for sure. We heat the corn tortillas on a grill or stovetop for about 30 seconds, then flip the tortilla over and heat it until it's become soft and pliable. To assemble the tacos, we're gonna create a taco assembly line. Tortillas, lime crema, slaw, tempeh, and garnishes. If you're not planning on serving it immediately, stack the hot tortillas, wrap them tightly in foil, and keep them warm in the oven set at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Then spread a little lime crema down the center of the tortillas, pile on the slaw and the tempeh, add any garnish you want, and I would say add extra lime crema and hot sauce. In reality, we're like, can I have a taco? I love these. I love them. I feel like this is a really good video. These tacos are amazing. I want everyone to make them. Tell me what you think. And I'm so happy I got my kitty in it. He's my favorite one. And I'm even wearing him on my shirt today. He's asking, everybody go vegan, right now.